Hey, Paul.
Toby.
What are you doing?
We're doing a bunch of stuff.
Painting?
Yeah. I'm going to conceptual. It's my latest.
Nice.
I call 2016.
Is it signed yet?
No, not yet. I don't know if it's done, but the fact that it's on cardboard is significant too. Put it in MoMA. Millions. No, I've been doing these little panoramics. This one I just started. See them? Beach scenes. Dun, 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 dun.
Nice.
There's another one. Variation on a theme. Yeah.
I'm following you.
This one isn't bad. It's not quite what I'm looking for this particular project. But it's
Sticks.
cute. Oh no, it's more like the trunks of trees. You seen this one?
No.
These need to be cleaned.
That's your large canvas. That's a pretty big piece.
This is the last big one I did. It's not bad. This is important. This is an important piece of work. This is a
It's number one.
This is a breakthrough painting. Anyway, I hate the lights. I got to get better lights in here. Usually I have this off when I'm not working. But that's it. I keep all my treasures in here.
Nice.
All my inventory. All my unsold work. This one's not bad.
Asparagus?
This one I thought was important too. That's why it's on my cover. If you ever seen my, they're all in here. And you haven't visited my website yet.
What's your website?
You look good.
YouLookGood.com.
You look good. I haven't seen you in like 8 years, but you look good.
Thanks, Paul.
All right.
Good to see you.
Yeah.